Welcome back to the channel. Today we are building temperature based LED indicator system using Arduino. This is not just a sensor reading project, it converts temperature into real time visuals output using LEDs. Today we are building a temperature based LED indicator system using Arduino. This system converts temperature into real time visuals output using LEDs. We are using a base temperature of 39 degrees Celsius. Based on the temperature, different LEDs will turn on. If the temperature is 37 degrees or below, the blue LED will turn on, which means cold temperature. If the temperature is between 38 and 39 degrees, the green LED will turn on, which means normal temperature. If the temperature is between 40 and 41 degrees, the yellow LED will turn on, which means warming up. If the temperature is between 42 and 43 degrees, the first red LED will turn on, which means hot temperature. And if the temperature gets above 44 degrees, the second red LED will turn on, which means extreme temperature. Now let's see the components required. First, Arduino Uno. Second, LM35 temperature sensor. 5 LEDs. Resistors for LEDs, then breadboard and some jumper wires and USB cable. Now let's understand how the system works. The LM35 temperature sensor outputs analog voltages. Arduino reads that analog voltage using analog pin A0. Then Arduino converts the analog signal into digital values using built-in ADC, which stands for analog to digital converter. After converting the values, the Arduino compares the temperature with present ranges and turn on the different LEDs. Now let's build the circuit. Connect LM35 temperature sensor to output pin A0. Connect blue LED to pin number 2. Connect green LED to pin number 3. Connect yellow LED to pin number 4. Connect red LED 1 to pin number 5. Connect red LED 2 to pin number 6. Connect all LEDs negative terminals to ground through resistors. The LM35 sensor does not need an external resistor in this setup. Now let's move on to the code. Let's connect the Arduino to the computer. First, we define the sensor pin INT. Sensor pin equals to A0. This line tells Arduino that LM35 sensor is connected to analog pin A0. INT means integers variable. Sensor pin is a variable name. A0 is the analog input pin. Next, we define the base temperature. Float base temperature equals to 40. This line stores the normal baseline temperature. Float means decimal number. Baseline is a variable name. 40 is the baseline temperature. Now we define the LED pins. INT blue LED equals to 2. INT green LED equals to 3. INT yellow LED equals to 4. INT red 1 equals to 5. INT red 2 equals to 6. These lines assign LEDs to Arduino pin. Now we start the setup function. Void setup. The setup function runs only once when the Arduino starts. Void means no return value. Setup is the initialization function. Now we define the output pins. Pin mode blue LED output. This tells Arduino that the pin will send output signals to the LEDs. Pin mode set pin behavior. Output means output mode. We repeat same process for all LEDs. Next line, serial.begin in bracket 96,000. This starts serial communication. Now we move to the loop function. Void loop. The loop function runs continuously forever. Now Arduino reads the sensor value. INT sensor value equals to analog read sensor pin. Analog read reads the analog value from 0 to 1023. The value is stored inside the sensor value variable. Now we connect the sensor reading into temperature. Float temperature equals to voltage divided by 100. The LM35 sensor gives 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. Arduino converts the analog value to voltage, then converts the voltage into temperature. Now, turn off all the LEDs first. Digital write, blue LED low. Low means off. This prevents multiple LEDs from staying on together. We repeat the same process for all LEDs. Now we apply conditions. This checks if the temperature is 40 degrees or below. If true, digital write blue LED high. High means on, so the blue LED turns on. Then we repeat the same logic for green, yellow LED, red LED 1, red LED 2. There is a 500 millisecond delay to control everything. Now let's verify our code. So it's compiling. Let's wait. It is done compiling. Now let's upload the code. Let's open the serial monitor first to see the live temperature. Right now, the sensor is detecting room temperature. Now, when I touch the sensor, my body heat will increase the temperature. As the temperature rises, the LED changes step by step according to the programmed ranges. That is how the Arduino temperature LED indicator system works. So today we built a real-time temperature indicator system using Arduino. We learned how analog signals become digital data and how we can convert that into visual LED output. In the next chapter, we will build the color mixing lamp project. See you there.